Welcome back to the Deep Dive. We take your sources, we dig in, and we try to pull out what really matters. Today we're looking at something that sits right where, well, outdoor adventure meets practical protection, hunting lease insurance. We've got this article, 5 Reasons Why You Should Invest in Hunting Lease Insurance, and our mission today is pretty straightforward. We want to peel back the layers on what this actually is, who it's for, and maybe why it's, way more important than a lot of folks might think.
Yeah, it's definitely an important conversation to have. I mean, when you think about activities like hunting, things that happen outdoors, often on land someone else owns, well, understanding the risks involved and how to manage them, that's just crucial. This deep dive, I think, will really show how it secures property, sure, but maybe more importantly, it secures peace of mind for, well, for everyone involved.
Exactly. So whether you're the landowner, maybe you're part of a hunt club, or you're just an individual hunter leasing a spot, if leasing land for hunting is part of your world, this is absolutely for you. We'll get into the liability side, the coverage it offers, and maybe bust a few myths, like why just getting a signature on a waiver.
Right.
Well, why that might not be the safety net you assume it is. Okay, so let's unpack this first part. Hunting lease insurance. Some listeners might be hearing that term for the first time. What's the basic idea? Like, what is it and who's it meant to protect?
Right. So at its core, it's a specific kind of insurance. Liability coverage, really. It's designed for situations where landowners lease their property out, specifically for hunting. And the main point, according to the source, is to protect the key players, the landowner, obviously, but also the hunt clubs using the land, and the individual hunters themselves. Protect them from what? From potential legal trouble. Lawsuits, claims, things that can pop up if there's an accident or some kind of incident while hunting on that leased land. Think of it as a financial shield for those unexpected problems.
Gotcha. So it's covering those what-ifs, the things you hope don't happen during hunting season, but sometimes do. Can you give us some more specific examples? What kind of incidents are we actually talking about here?
Yeah, absolutely. Incident can be broad, you're right. It covers, for instance, legal costs and damages if someone gets hurt. A personal injury, that could be, a hunter falling out of a tree stand, maybe a guest twists an ankle on rough ground, or unfortunately something more serious involving a firearm. But it's not just about injuries to people, it also covers property damage. Say a hunter's truck accidentally damages a gate, or their campfire isn't fully put out and causes some damage. This insurance aims to cover the financial fallout from situations like those. It helps prevent huge financial hits and messy legal battles for everybody.
Okay, now this next point feels really crucial, especially for the landowners listening. The article talks about significant risks to their property, their assets. How exactly does this insurance act as a safeguard for, well, their whole financial picture?